Diglogs. Digitalizing logistic processes. Diglogs project starts in January 2019 and ends in December 2021. The total budget is over €2.5 million. 10 are the partners and 7 the pilot actions. Diglogs aims to create the technological solutions, models and plans to establish the most advanced digitalized logistic processes for multimodal freight transport and passenger services in the Italy-Croatia area. This project will have a significant impact on the quality, safety and environmental sustainability.
The partners represent the starting point of cooperation. The project is led by the Faculty of Maritime Studies of the University of Rijeka.
The partners represent the starting point of cooperation. The quality of a project depends largely on an adequate composition of its partnership, able to pool all skills and competencies of relevant institutions in order to achieve the set of project results, having the capacity to create strong links to target groups addressed by the project. Diglogs is characterized by the implementation of 7 pilots in Italy and Croatia. The pilots contribute to 3 major areas of innovation, which all contribute to fostering multimodal services, in different ways. PCS Automation, Deliveries Planning System. Pilot Project PCS Automation, Deliveries Planning System, Mid-Adriatic, Delplan. The PCS Automation, Deliveries Planning pilot aims at creating and testing a deliveries planning module, which could in the future extend the port community systems. The deliveries planning technology aims at providing an improved knowledge for operators in the decision-making process for the shipment routing through comparison of multimodal services while providing rerouting options based on traffic and weather conditions. Delplan is the pilot solution to make intermodal shipments easier to manage, with clearer routing options, more reliable transit times and rerouting options available if something goes wrong. Before any intermodal shipment, the carrier operator can log into the platform and plan in advance the journey, starting from a point of departure to a point of arrival, selected among any Croatian counties or Italian provinces and an expected time of departure and arrival. The system allows the user either to select a specific ITU, an intermodal transport unit, a container, a swap body or a cartable semi-trailer, or to compare different ITU options by pressing enter. The user will receive the several routing options and validates the most suitable one. Once the shipment starts, the system monitors the progress of the shipment and the various nodes past the Delplan follows the ITU during its journey and helps the user to redesign its route and to get a new forecast for transit times, costs and emissions in real time. At the end of the shipment, the system provides a feedback of the journey, pointing out the actual variables compared to the originally planned ones, calculating the actual emissions of the service, and keeps the memory of all the shipments made in the past for the review of the user. WMS 4.0 Dry Port Case Study. Pilot Project WMS 4.0. The pilot is the test of a web application that is going to be used by carriers, multimodal transport operators, MTO, dry ports and public authorities in the program area and that will perform an innovative service, an information system delivering data about intermodal appointments in the nodes. The system will consider the following participants: warehouse gate manager, the person that manages the warehouse gate; warehouse manager, the person that allocates the loading bay; carrier, the person who transports an arbitrary item, ITU, intermodal transport unit. The main objective is to establish the possibility to receive ITUs and cargo statuses. Once given the possibility to receive the ITU, the system will allocate the proper gate within a warehouse and manage the appointment booking. Each warehouse will need to be screened by its capability of receiving both particular goods statuses, ITUs types and volumes. At the same time, eventual loading bays may not be suitable for specific ITUs. Each loading bay will be mapped using the variables indicated before. Given a certain set of data, the system will create a unique identifier for the booking as reference for the driver to show when arriving at the warehouse. Also, the system will allocate a certain loading bay at a certain loading time for the specific ITU. This procedure will be valid for both loading and unloading of ITUs at the warehouse. Lastly, the system will allow the management of the green slot activation for quick loading/unloading ITUs used in intermodal shipments. The warehouse manager will receive the request for the activation of a green slot pass, which means an allocated dock for quick loading or unloading of ITUs that are using intermodal services. 2 are the aim of WMS 4.0. To demonstrate how multimodal transport arrangements among a heterogeneous set of logistics operators including carriers, logistic providers, transport operators and authorities can be thoroughly and conveniently optimized by exchanging real-time information concerning planned delivery schedules. To overcome existing transport challenges affecting the very last mile of the multimodal transport chain by making the execution of road transport activities from the destination railroad terminal to the final goods delivery destinations in the most efficient, convenient, and seamless way.